final piece of my Blackops carbon fiber finally showed up. This is the carbon fiber top wing.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a lot of stuff to the Jeep SRT today, but this video is mainly just going to be focused on the top carbon fiber wing that I'm getting from Blackops. As you guys know, I have the mid spoiler. I just got the front splitter put on, and this is the final piece of the puzzle. I'm getting the top spoiler put on, so it's going to be the matching carbon fiber. That's pretty much all I'm going to do for the exterior besides wheels and tires, but that's the final piece that I've been waiting for. So I'm going to show you what it looks like stock, what it looks like you know, after it's done, after the install. But I'm having everything done today by TNA. The wheels, the tires. I'm actually getting the brake pads changed also. I'm probably not going to do that on a video, so I'll probably just tell you guys what that is right now. I got the Power Stop ceramic brake pads, so it's supposed to cut down a lot on brake dust and stuff like that. So getting everything installed today, literally everything. So the top wing, the wheels, tires, and the brake pads. So I'm getting all that stuff done. I'm still waiting on the O2 sensor extensions, which will get rid of these engine lights for me. We're still waiting on those. I believe they were back ordered, so they should be coming in hopefully within a couple of weeks. But other than that, I mean, she's pretty much almost good to go. Still breaking it in a little bit. I think I'm almost about to hit the 700-mile mark. I gotta check, but I'm pretty sure I'm close because I've been driving it a lot. So I should have the 700 miles broken in, and then I'm gonna talk to the shop. Most likely, probably just get an oil change done, and then yeah, everything should just kind of be ready to go. So you know, it's pretty exciting. I'm on my way to a car wash right now. This car is literally filthy, so I want to get it nice and clean, so when I get the wheels and tires thrown on later, you know, it'll all look good. So I'm on my way there. I'm going to show you guys what the top spoiler looks like now. It's just the regular OEM. So the brake light's actually going to come out of the top wing that I have now, the stock OEM wing. So the brake light will come out, and then it'll transfer over to the Blackops top wing, which I'll probably show you the clip of when I wrapped it in my apartment. Probably plug that in right now.
All right, so the final piece of my Blackops carbon fiber finally showed up. This is the carbon fiber top wing. Alright guys, just want to apologize for the lighting in my apartment. It's not the greatest. Hopefully that will be changing soon, but that's some news that'll come later on. But here you go. So this is the top wing. This is going to replace the OEM wing that I have now. Well, I guess it's a wing. It's wherever the brake light is, whatever you want to call it, a wing, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be the replacement. So as you can see here, this is the inside. You can see the 3M tape where it's going to attach. I'm a little curious why there's no 3M tape on the other side. There probably should have been some, I would imagine, because it's literally all over here and not over there. I don't know why. And then you could see this is going to be the back. You could see where the brake light's going to go in right there. And I gotta tell you what, this thing is light. It's really, really light. Overall, very happy with this. It looks great. I'm not sure what that little piece is for, but I guess we're gonna find out. But quality, like always, hopefully it focuses. Just looks really good. So there you go. That's the top wing. You like it? Hey, you like it? You like the top wing? It's gonna be going on the Jeep. How you feel about it? How you feel about it? Tell me. Tell me how you feel. Alright. You wanna tell me how you feel? Alright, she likes it. Alright guys, so I just ended up coming to this parking lot. I want to take a couple of pictures of the car real quick. I'm actually over here, you know I'm always in Queens, but I'm actually over here by Citi Field. So if you look straight ahead, that's the tennis stadium. Then if you look over there, that's Citi Field where the Mets play. And then this is my baby right here. So as you can see, this is the OEM top wing right here. So this is gonna get replaced. I don't know how heavy this is compared to the carbon fiber. Maybe I'll try to weigh them out later. Actually, my scale broke, so I probably won't be able to weigh them out, but obviously the carbon fiber should be lighter than this. I mean, I can't imagine this piece being too heavy anyway, but I mean, this is probably what, fiberglass? And so, yeah, it might weigh a little less, but anyway. So the brake light, as you guys saw when I unpackaged it, there was a spot for the brake light, so this is gonna come out, go to the carbon fiber part, and then there's a little piece down here, not really sure what that does. Kind of just looks like a big, like, Phillips head, like, screw, kind of. So, not sure what that does. Maybe that just kind of holds it all together. I don't know.
Got him! Got him!
But, yeah, so that's going to get replaced today. And then I'll obviously show you guys what it looks like. Right now, I'm just in this parking lot chilling. Like I said, I'm about to go get a car wash because my car is so filthy. These wheels are going to be for sale. So these were actually alloy SRT wheels. I powder coated them gloss black. There's still some tread life, still a decent amount of tread life on the Pirelli tires. So if anybody's interested in these, definitely let me know. I mean, I'm probably going to sell them, or I don't know. I might keep them as winter wheels. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But I mean, if someone wants them, just reach out to me. Maybe talk some numbers and we'll see. But so you saw, I'm gonna get the carbon fiber top wing, then I got the mid wing. It's gonna match perfectly in the back. Then I got the carbon fiber splitter in the front. I'm aired out right now. I love the way it looks in the front. It just looks so mean when it's aired out and it's like low to the ground like that. It just looks so good. So you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the car wash now. And then later I'm gonna get everything installed. So there's gonna be 2 videos out of this. You're gonna see the wheels, the tires, which I'm so excited to get these on. And then the top wing, which is gonna complete the whole look of the car. And yeah, I mean, I'm so excited, so just stay tuned.
2 days later.
All right, guys, it's 2 days later. I got everything done on Friday. Today is Sunday. It's just been a hectic weekend. Friday was just nuts. I was running around a lot on Friday, so I didn't get a chance to really film anything. But today's Sunday. I'm going to show you everything that I got done. Like I said, I'm recording 2 videos. So one's the wheels and tires, one's the Blackops top wing. So you're going to see 2 videos. I'm going to be wearing the same shit. It's just, it was crazy. I've never tried to record 2 videos before. I didn't realize how much it actually took. Usually I just focus on one and then I'll shoot another one during the week and so on and so on. It's just easier that way. But I tried to really do 2 videos. I didn't want to do the installs the same day, but I figured it made sense money-wise to just get it all done in one day. It'd be cheaper instead of having to come one day to the shop and for the wheels and tires and the next day to the shop to do the top wing. It just didn't make sense. So this video is the top wing. I think it looks amazing. It just finishes the complete look of the car. All right, so let me show you guys what the top wing looks like. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it before in my reels. Probably seen what it looks like already. So here we go. This is the front. You guys already know about the front carbon fiber. So this is still holding up great right here in the front. Looks amazing. And then if we go, I don't know why my camera looks so bad now outside. If you guys know anything about cameras, you know why this is happening, please let me know. It just seems like it just gets so white. Like, look at that. It's not normal. It wasn't like that before. I don't know if I changed some kind of settings, but anyway, if you know anything about it, let me know.
So you guys saw the front splitter from Blackops. This is all Blackops Auto Works. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, go hit them up. Chad's an awesome guy. Dealt with him through emails a bunch of times. So this is the mid wing, and you guys saw this video before. And then here's the new piece right here. So this replaced the OEM top spoiler. I apologize for the camera. I don't know why it's doing this. It's a cloudy day today, so it should actually pick up everything perfectly. But for some reason, it's just still so bright, and I have no idea why. It has autofocus. It has the ISO. I don't know, maybe the ISO's stuck. Hold on. Try playing with the camera settings. I can't figure it out, but hopefully from this angle you guys can see it. Trying to get it to focus. So there's the top wing. Under here there's some Velcro, so that way it doesn't touch up against your car, causing any scratches. You can see the brake light was transferred over to this part, and so is this part. So this actually, I didn't know what it was last time, but that's actually where the windshield wiper fluid comes out, so you can clean the back window. So that's that part right there. And overall, I think it looks amazing. Just completely finishes up the back, the whole carbon fiber look right there. Finally got my exhaust fixed too, so now it's all leveled out finally. I have no hanging exhaust pipe. It's just perfectly centered on both sides, so the whole back just looks so much better. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the carbon fiber. I think it just looks great now with the car. It's just subtle touches of carbon fiber, just the front splitter, the two wings in the back, and that's it. And then no more. I'm not purchasing anything else for the exterior. That is it. The only thing I might do is I might get it detailed, because I do have permanent water spots from the previous owner. I guess he must have left it out either in the rain or he had a sprinkler. And he just let the water spots dry out in the sun, so now they're permanent water spots. The paint should be no issue. I'm more worried about the spots coming out on the glass. I mean, if you guys see it in the videos and pictures, you don't really notice it. It's just up close, and it bothers me, my OCD. Of course it does, but yeah, so that's probably the only thing I'd really do for the exterior. I was thinking about going a little darker on the tints, but I think I'm just gonna leave it for now. I think the car just looks amazing the way it looks now. I bought this car, you know, completely stock, and just to see it transform looks wise, performance wise, it's insane. It's just like a dream come true. And just gonna keep grinding, keep doing what I'm doing, and I appreciate you guys. I do have to do the 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm gonna shoot that video. Today's Sunday. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow, because actually it was a lot of comments. I was actually pretty surprised. I thought it was gonna be like maybe I don't know, 20, 30 people, but I think it's more than that. Actually, I didn't even think I was gonna hit 30. I thought it was gonna be like 10 to 20, to be honest. But yeah, it was actually a lot of comments, so I'm gonna have to get all those written down, put them on my phone, into the random generator, and then we're gonna do the giveaway for the $50 Amazon gift card. But I'm gonna do everything on camera so you guys see it. I'm not picking somebody I know. It's just anybody who commented is gonna be on that random generator, and whoever gets picked is the winner. But I'm gonna do a quick little, I guess, B-roll. That way you guys can see the whole look of the car now that is transformed with the carbon fiber on it. So let's get it. Alright guys, I just want to say thanks again. I appreciate you guys, all the new subs, all the old subs. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the carbon fiber. Do you think it's too much? Do you think you would have went a different route? Would you have paint matched it? Let me know what you guys think. I'm always curious to hear what people think about the car. I mean, I personally love it. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. Some people don't like carbon fiber, some people like other stuff, but just let me know what you think. But all right guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.